Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and we're going to show you a quick tip on how to create a birdcage on sloped ground. Let's get started. Right, this can be done in any drawing page on any equipment. It's still the same no matter what you do. The scenario is I need to build a birdcage on here. And obviously I've got a sloped ground. So instead of bringing on a new bay and altering the legs within the bay details to try and master it best you can, this is 6 meters wide. I want it 12 meters up to here and then onto my top of my platform here, which is 4 meters high from ground, 2 meters slope from 6 meters. Easiest way to do it I've found is dragging a sloped wall, make it 6 meters. Now the top of my wall is 4 meters, so I'm going to keep everything 4 meters. 4 meters again. My start is this point here, and obviously my end is 2 meters. So keep that as 0. My end is going to be 2 meters. Click apply, click OK. As you can see, perfect slope as I need it. So I'm just going to stick that there for now, and then I'm going to drag on a wall because I need another 6 meters of wall into here. 6 meters long. Keep it at 4 meters high. Click apply, click OK. Now I need to zoom in to make sure that my walls meet. You can turn on snap and glue for this, but we'll see what happens. Right, now I've got them walls correct. Highlight both the walls only into wall scaffold, and you're going to turn everything off. I'm not worried about braces at the minute, not worried about anything else about me plan bracing or anything like that. I'm going to put that in a minute. I only want my top lift bordered because this is going to be a bird cage and it's not that high, so I don't need other lifts. Turn everything off, don't matter which you choose. Click OK, and there you go. I've created my sloped bird cage. As you can see, I didn't get my walls perfect, but that's not to worry. I can just jump in, just slide them back. There you go. And as you can see, my leg's just gone slightly over because of that wall. Highlight all my bays, drag that back. So I want my leg just on that platform into my model view. And there you go. I've created my legs at the heights I need. No messing about having to do single bays and raising and dropping legs how I need it. So I can just click on the bay and just keep pressing B until I get to end. Slightly over there. So I need to move my L and R. So I'll make that a 257. There we go. And then I can just keep doing this as needed. 257 again. Then once I've got all my bays across, I can get rid of this wall. Click delete. So I'm going to go onto this side, top level, guardrails down here in my bay level editor. So I want my T side again. I don't need my L side, T side again. There we go. Now I can highlight everything and rejoin, and that'll correct any handrails, anything that's in between needed. So there you go. Everything's as needed. Bird cage, if I want to make a platform walking off onto there. Top bay, guardrails, just remove it. There you go. And then all I need to do is add my bracing in as needed. As you can see, platform heights at the top of my hill, onto my platform below. My legs I'm happy with. I can always alter them if needs be, but there you go. That's an easy way to create a bird cage on a slope. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe for more content to come.